How many times have you heard an attorney say in a marketing message, get the money you deserve, get the money that you're entitled to? Well, let me share with you why not every injured victim is entitled to get the money that you think you deserve. You want to know what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. When you hear that message that says, we get you the money that you deserve, well, the reality is that not every injured victim is entitled to get compensated. Now, what do I mean by that? In order for an injured victim in New York to get compensation for the harms and losses that they suffered, we have to show, number one, that there was wrongdoing, that there was carelessness. We say that there has to be negligence. And then we have to show that the carelessness was a cause of your injuries. That's known as causation. And then we have to show that you have damages, that you have significant injury. If the injured victim cannot show that the other person is responsible, was careless, and caused the injury, now there's no way you can go forward even though you suffered some type of injury. If, on the other hand, in a car accident case, we can show that someone's carelessness caused an accident, then we also have to show that that carelessness was a cause of your injury. We don't have to show it was the cause. There could be other multiple contributing factors to your injuries, but we have to show that it was at least a cause. What if we can't show that? Well, if we can't show causation, that there's a direct link between the carelessness and the injuries that you suffered, and there's no connecting bridge, well, guess what? Then we can't go forward and help you. Why? Because even though you suffered injury, we are legally obligated to show that we are more likely right than wrong, that that carelessness was a cause of your injury. Very important. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in evaluating a car accident case here in the state of New York. You know, so many people hear this message saying, we get you the money you deserve. You're entitled to this and you're entitled to that. Well, guess what? Not every injured victim is entitled to get compensated. It's only if we can show that we are more likely right than wrong, that someone was careless and that the carelessness caused your injuries, and now your injuries are significant or permanent, then we can go forward with a valid basis for a case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.